front of me is NOKIA 2.3 and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, now locate system, go to the advanced and click on developer options. If you cannot find developer options right here, it means that they are not unlocked. To do it, just watch our tutorial on how to activate developer options and then smoothly enter this mode. And now locate system demo mode, mark it and click on enable demo mode. And that's it. From now on your NOKIA 2.3 is in demo mode, and if you would like to show demo mode, just tap here to activate it. And that's it. Obviously you can turn it off by tapping on this switcher. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.